Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a handbag haul video. As I mentioned, I have been doing some shopping recently. I'm just so excited to start going out again. But I also feel like the new releases have been incredible recently. There's just been so much good stuff released and I've had pretty much no self-restraint. So I'm sharing with you 3 new handbags as well as 1 accessory for a handbag as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first up is this one that I literally just got in the mail. It is from Senreve and I got 1 handbag and 1 handbag accessory. It's quite small, so it is a mini bag. Okay, so inside I have my receipt, I think the total for both came to about $500. I think it was like $530, something like that. I did get one of these on sale. I have the tissue paper and then, oh, they've changed their dust bag. So these are the 2 items I got. So this is the bag. It is a small one. The new dust bags are pretty. And I got the raspberry one, and I think this is called the Dolce leather, which is their more pebbled leather. So their more standard one is it's a bit more like a Saffiano, like a bit smoother and kind of harder, whereas this one is softer and like really pebbled. So very similar to the mulberry leather if you're familiar with it. And oh my goodness, it is just so lovely. This one is from their sale event that's happening now. I think it's called Handbag Revival. I shopped this one last year. That's when I got, I don't know if my head's blocking it, but that's when I got my chestnut aria. It's basically a sale where instead of throwing away or disposing of any bags with slight defects, they put them all into this sale. I think they only do it once a year. It's a really good chance to basically get some of their styles at a bit of a discount. And there is a different level. So depending on how noticeable the flaw is, then you get a bigger discount. This one I got for 15%. I don't remember how much I got off my chestnut aria, but I couldn't find a single thing wrong with it. So these aren't massive flaws at all. I still don't know what was supposed to be wrong with that bag. It looks perfect to me. It's such a great deal, and I also just think it's good in general. You know, I know a lot of luxury brands do kind of burn their items, which is just so crazy to me. So the fact they do kind of give theirs a second life, I think is really lovely, and obviously a discount is always really good as well. This one I thought was beautiful. You do have the strap right there. I didn't get a separate chain just because I already have my chain from my other one and I just rotate it between all my bags. I never wear more than 1 bag at once, obviously, so it's fine just the one. And it is just gorgeous. Has that beautiful blue lining, has the pockets. And then on the back you do have the 2 hooks, and that's where you can kind of loop on the leather strap. But then if you wanted to use a chain, that's where you kind of put the ones on here. So cute. Oh, it smells incredible. Do you guys smell your bags? I didn't realize this was a weird thing until I did it in front of Dan the other day, and he was like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "I'm smelling the leather," and he was like, "You're so crazy." Is this like a weird thing that I do? I feel like that was quite normal, but anyway, it smells amazing. It has that amazing leather smell, and I just think the color is so beautiful. So super excited about this, and even better obviously that I got it on discount. I'm not sure how long the sale lasts until, I think it lasts for another week or so. I'll try and figure out the date and I'll pop it below, but definitely a good one to check out if you did have your eye on something and wanted to get it at a bit of a discount. And then the other item I got, this one actually wasn't on sale, but I'd been wanting it a while, so I decided just to combine the order. And it is one of their statement straps. I have seen these on Instagram and I've just been lusting after them for so long. So I got this one in the sand color to match my Aluna bag, and I think it's so cool. So it's just basically, I think it's like a canvas strap, and then you have a little D-ring there, and then you have the straps or the hooks to attach it to your bag. I think this works with a few different styles, but I specifically wanted it with my Aluna. I just think they're so cool. It has like this chevron pattern. Just such a cool little look. I was prepared as well, so I am going to hook it on. So I took the kind of longer straps off. Just see if it, yeah, so it just kind of hooks on there and then it attaches like so. How cool is that? I am so in love with this look. I feel like the thick strap just totally transforms it. I am gonna play around with the strap as well to see if it matches with other bags, but I just love this concept. I really love the idea of just getting more use out of the bags you already have by just kind of getting smaller accessories and totally changing the look. And I'm just so obsessed with this idea. So I am beyond thrilled with this. I feel like it just looks a little bit edgier, and yeah, just absolutely in love. So very happy with my strap. Next up is one from Louis Vuitton, and I feel like Louis Vuitton have been on fire with their new releases. Like, there was kind of, I'd say like an 18-month period when I didn't really love what they were doing in terms of their newer styles. It all just felt a bit, I know, a bit out there and crazy, but their newer releases I've just been obsessed with. Like, I check the website all the time now. They're just so gorgeous and I just love them. So I couldn't resist two of their new styles. So this is obviously a smaller one. So here is the dust bag. And I think this was released fairly recently. I don't remember seeing it on the website before that, but it is the multi-pochette in the Empreinte, and I really like the multi-pochette in the canvas. I didn't when it was first released, and then I grew to love it. I was very close buying it. I literally had it in my basket, but then Dan happened to see it and he really didn't like it, and he made some funny comments that just really put me off. So I ended up getting my Prada re-edition instead, which I love. So super happy with that decision. But then I saw they released them in the Empreinte and I just could not resist. So this one, it does have the two kind of units, I guess, and then it has this chain strap, and then on the inside you have a thicker leather strap. So you kind of get a few different looks in one, which I love. I love the fact this does seem like quite a dressy style, but with the addition of the leather strap you can make it a bit more casual. This one comes in black as well as like a black and a cream monogram as well. I just went for the cream. I know how much I love my backpack, and I just thought this was so stunning. I am so excited about it. I love the different options. I'm going to play around with it to see all the different ways to wear it, but I thought this was just so lovely. So over the moon with this. I feel like I've been waiting for them to release new Empreinte styles for just the longest time. I love their Empreinte leather, but I just didn't feel like they had that many options. And then I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, like all my hopes had been answered in terms of the Empreinte line, and it definitely doesn't disappoint. I just think it's stunning. And then leading off the back of that, I have this rather large box, and this is another Empreinte bag. So if you're familiar with their new releases, you're probably gonna be able to guess at what this is. But so here is the rather enormous dust bag, and inside it is their Neverfull in the Empreinte leather. I was so excited when I first saw this or heard about them. I first heard they were doing Neverfulls in the Empreinte in my bag chat group. Someone posted a photo and I was like, well, I'm gonna need to get that. Like, it's just so beautiful. I actually thought I was going to go for the kind of, I don't know if it's the color June, they're kind of like a medium taupe color. They have this in threes. They have that color, they have the black, and they have the cream. I didn't really want the cream, and then I thought I'd go for the taupe color, but I don't know, for some reason I was just drawn to the black, which to be honest I rarely am. Like I do have black bags, but I often go for lighter or nude colored bags. But I love this. I thought it was stunning. I love the dark blue lining as well. It just feels like so luxurious. You do get the pouch as well on the inside. And I'm just like in awe of this Neverfull. You guys know I love my Neverfulls. My love for them has not waned over the years. I still think it's just the best bag. And this new update, I'm just so in love with. The leather is a really nice combination of kind of quality, thick feeling without being kind of too heavy. It just feels really nice to touch. The gold accents make it look so nice as well. And I just cannot get enough of this bag. I am so excited. So yeah. Super happy with this, very excited about pretty much all the new releases Louis Vuitton are doing. I had to like whittle it down because there were like 10 different bags that I wanted, but yeah, they're just nailing it. So if you haven't looked at their new releases section recently, I would recommend doing so. Like, hop onto their website, there is a lot of eye candy, but I am super thrilled with these two new styles. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will include links to everything in the description section below. If you have any questions for me, then leave me a comment. I also wanted to ask you guys that if you did have any video requests, and specifically around reviews, let me know in the comment section. I'm kind of planning out my filming schedule for the next few weeks right now, and I am getting back into doing more reviews. I want to try and get to one per week. if I can. They do take quite a lot of time, but I'm gonna try and do that, and especially now that we're actually allowed to go out again, I can use bags again more often. So if you do have any specific requests for reviews, let me know in the comment section. If you've already done that, because I've asked a few times as well, then you don't need to repeat it. I do write them down as I go along, but if you had a specific request, let me know and I will try and do the video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.